Mom, what are you doing?
Hi, Lily. I'm just thinking about all the things we do in day-to-day life to stay safe.
Like what?
Well, at work, we do a circle check.
A what? What's a circle check?
Well, a circle check is something you do to stay safe. It takes about 5 minutes. I start even before I get to my truck. I look for any liquids on the ground. Then I walk around the truck, looking for any damage, checking the treads on the tires, and that the lug nuts are there. I look for the lights and reflectors and tap the muffler to make sure it doesn't fall off.
Is that it? You circled it now?
No, smarty pants, that's just the outside. Now we have to check under the hood.
But you aren't a mechanic.
I know, but this is easy stuff.
Do you check the oil like you do in our car?
I do, every time we fill up with gas.
Now, are you done?
Not quite. We gotta get on the inside and check the inside stuff.
Sure sounds like a lot.
Some days it seems like that, but it really only takes 5 minutes.
What's next?
Well, then I like to check my brake lights and signal lights.
Now, are you done?
Pretty much. It's easy peasy.
Well, what happened if you didn't do it?
Well, no, I don't want to forget to do any of the safety stuff.
Good. I have emailed me and want you to be safe.
I want to make it safe so I can make it home. And don't forget your lunch on the way out.